Welcome to my channel. Connect your Mesh Wi-Fi extender to AT&T router. Quick setup tutorial. 1. Plug in the mesh extender. Place your Mesh Wi-Fi extender near the AT&T router and plug it into a power outlet. Wait until the power light becomes stable. 2. Download the setup app. Install the extender's official setup app from the App Store or Google Play, depending on your extender brand. 3. Connect to the extender network. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone or laptop and connect to the temporary network shown on the extender label. 4. Open the setup app or web page. Launch the setup app or open a browser and enter the setup address mentioned on the extender label. 5. Start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions and select Set up a new extender or Add satellite node. 6. Select your AT&T Wi-Fi network. From the list of available networks, choose your AT&T router Wi-Fi name, SSID. 7. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Type the password of your AT&T Wi-Fi network and continue to connect the extender. 8. Wait for the connection. The extender will take a few minutes to sync with the router. The indicator light will turn solid when the connection is successful. 9. Move the extender to a better location. Place the extender halfway between the router and the area with weak signal. 10. Test your Wi-Fi connection. Connect your device to the extended network and check if the Wi-Fi signal is stronger and stable. Tip: keep the extender within range of the AT&T router for the best mesh performance. Thank you.